Hello, we are now in Hotel Grand Orchardz Kemayoran. This is the view from the entrance door. At the left side is the bathroom. And this is the sink plus a big mirror. Amenities, Grand Orchard. Closet with eco washer, shower box, universal electric outlet. And this is the wardrobe. They give you sleeper, safe box, quite a big wardrobe. This is the aircon setting. Control here. Grand Orchardz Hotel Kemayoran, Jakarta. The fridge, water bottle, give you tea, but no coffee, I guess. This one we have a king size bed. This is the electrical outlet, side table, minimalistic table if you need to work, TV, okay, quite a nice room setup indeed. Air conditioning. There is a connecting door here, so we can connect to the room next door. Okay, so this is the review from the room 1023 Grand Orchardz Hotel in Kemayoran, Jakarta. If you like it, please support me. Click the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.